Hey guys, this is Muhab, and in this video I'll be talking about Camtasia, which is the best video editing that you can use for YouTube in my opinion if you're starting a YouTube channel. And by the way, I know I haven't been uploading videos for the past few months, and I'm going to make a video updating you guys what is the future of the YouTube channel real soon. But for now, let's talk about the video editing program, Camtasia. So first of all, you can screen record using this program, which is what I'm doing right now. As you see, here is the duration of the recording, the audio. You could delete, pause, or stop the video, and that's a really handy feature of this program, which is screen recording. In addition to obviously having a mic connected to that screen record, as I'm doing right now. You could also enable the video camera of your laptop, the webcam, but I don't really suggest that as I prefer to use an external camera due to better quality. But for now, let's talk about the video editing stuff that you could do here. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to show you everything in this video. However, if you want to learn more about this program, you could go to help and then go to video tutorials. There are tons of video tutorials in TechSmith website. But for now, I'll show you how I usually edit my videos. So let's have a video over here. That's one of my old videos that I've uploaded to YouTube. As you can see, we got the video over here, and yeah, here I talk. You could play and pause it from here. You can see the frames per second, the time of the video, and you got all these options over here. So for now, let's say I would like to crop the video. So you could right click here and click split selected. It's gonna split over here, or Control S. So let's delete this part by clicking the delete button on your keyboard. And if you want to separate the video and the audio, you right click and click separate audio and video. That's a really handy feature because now you can control your audio. You can decrease the volume, increase the volume, add volume points, which means you could, make an intro sound where it starts from a really low sound and then it increases. That's a really handy feature that you could use. And also there are a lot of other stuff that you could do. So let's open the folder that we have here. You could add a background sound. So the same way as I've showed you, which is separating the audio from the video. You right click, separate audio from video, delete the video, and reduce the sound of the audio so it can be a background audio. And as you can see, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but the background music is playing right here, which is a really good feature that you can add to your video. And also, one of the best thing about this program, which is a feature that was added not recently, not in the latest update, but it was added pretty recently, I think before 6 months or 1 year, where you could remove the green screen from the background. So as you see, I got this subscriber bell, and as you can see, let's go somewhere here. Yeah, you get that subscribe button over here, which I've used in many of my videos, and you got Instagram and other stuff. All you need to do is just remove the green in the background, and that can be easily done by going to more visual effects, and then you could go to remove a color and it will remove the green from the background. Now I'm gonna delete this for now. And you got many other features. So you got transitions, which is in all or most video editing programs. You could add an annotation, you could add animation to that annotation. So you could click on behaviors and clicking on drift. Let me write anything for here. You double click and then you double click on that. I'm just gonna write anything for now just to show you the animation. And as you see, you get this animation when it opens, and it will go like that. You got tons of animation for text over here. One of the good features that I've been using a lot too is animation, which is, for example, let's take the first part of the video. I clicked S to crop the video, or you could right click and click split. And then from here you could, for example, zoom into my face. And as you can see here, there's a red circle that pops up, and you could adjust its size. Now what that do is that it zooms to the place that you've set it here within this time over here. So let me show you what happens to the video. So as you see, it zooms to my face closely because I've set that. And you have a lot of potential to do a lot of things using this. And here we got a library which shows you some background music and some things that you can use without any copyright issues. And in addition to the transitions that I've mentioned here, and here you add your media. As you've seen before, I've added the audio, the video, and the subscribe video over here. And finally, if you would like to share the video or like save it, you click share and then local file. And again, as I've mentioned before, I can't really cover everything in this video, but trust me, this program is worth it. You can get a 30-day trial to try it from TechSmith Camtasia. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description below. And yeah, if you need any help, make sure to write in the comments below and I'll try to help you with it. If you need more help about the program, again, you could go to help and then video tutorial. And in terms of the future of this YouTube channel, I'll make sure to make a video about it real soon. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Muhab and I am signing out.